Hey guys, I'm Johnny Scoville. Oh, I have issues and this is Chase the Heat. Screwed up counting the number of videos I made. And I thought this was the 2000th video. The video I did this morning was the 2000th video. It was delayed showing me the true number, so I thought I had one to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can do a mass hypnosis. I'm going to count to 3 and snap my fingers. When I do, I want all of you to believe that this is the 2000th video and I didn't mess up this morning. All right? We're going to see if this works. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, this is the 2000th video for Chase the Heat. I don't know how many times I've said I have issues, but man, 2000 videos. That's pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. There's quite a library of stuff for you guys to watch. And now that if you guys haven't been to the playlist, go check out the playlist. I've kind of organized it in such a way that you can watch specific things that you want and not have to hunt around for it. But man, Brian Chiarapi's a friend of mine, veteran owned, pretty cool. He owns Willy Pete's chocolates. We did a collaboration, a couple of them. We did the Chili Cherry Nightmare, dark chocolate and black cherries. And then we did the white version, which was delicious. Here we've got another one. This is a ½ pound of chocolate. What makes this challenge difficult isn't just that it's a ½ pound of chocolate. There's a lot of Carolina Reapers in this chocolate bar. So here we go. I'm going to read it to you. We're going to get into this. Excuse me. Ingredients, people. Sugar, partially hydrogenated palm kernel oil and cottonseed oils. Non-fat dry milk, cocoa processed with alkali cocoa, glycerol, lactic esters of fatty acids, soy lecithin, and salt. Carolina Reapers filling, white cane sugar. The filling, by the way, for the Raspberry Reaper Jam is white cane sugar, raspberries, raspberry juice, pectin lemon, and Carolina Reapers. I'm ready for this. It's a ½ pound. It's a lot. Now, it's dangerously hot. So here's the deal. I was messaging Brian this morning. I told him I was going to do the challenge today. I said, look, dude, is this a speed thing or just eat that candy bar thing? He said, eat that candy bar thing. So, nonetheless, I'm going to try to chug through it because, man, after a while, ½ pound is an awful lot of chocolate. You know the great thing about all of Willy Pete's candy bars, and especially the challenge, all of them, whether it's a challenge or not, it's such a delicious candy bar that even if you're doing a challenge, you almost don't mind it because it's just super, super delicious. Whoa. We had breakage. All right, so there's real jam in here. You can tell it broke and there's kind of oozing jam everywhere. Hang on there, guys. Boy, that smells hot. I can smell those Reapers. 8 squares, dark chocolate in the center, raspberry. Hang on a minute. Sorry. Raspberry Reaper jam. So we're going to get into this. We're not going to even time it since we're just going to eat this thing. Wow, wait till you see this. Here we go. My mouth has just started watering looking at this. I broke it. Look at the center from one of the other pieces. Just, oh. Gosh, it smells like, you smell the chocolate. But man, that Reaper and that raspberry. Super excited about doing this. It's gonna hurt. I'm Johnny Scoville. I have issues. This is Chase the Heat. Wow. Man, that's a party in your mouth right there. may be the perfect candy bar. It's not, the chocolate surrounding the jam isn't really that harsh. It breaks easy. It's hot. The chunk that I just ate came out of that pocket right there. Wow, is this delicious. Wow. So many wows. Holy moly, does this taste good. This is so delicious. You guys know raspberry is a big thing for me. I love dark chocolate. This is spectacular. It's hot though. He said there was the same amount of Reapers in this that there's in the Moab. You know the Moab's hot. Wow. I'm not trying to say that anymore in this video, but holy mackerel. After the square, I'm halfway through. I'll stop and give you my assessment of the bar. You obviously know I like it. Talk about the burn a little bit, and then we'll attack the last half. Very filling because it's a big candy bar, you know? So I'm a quarter pound deep in on this half pound challenge. Probably the best tasting candy, spicy candy bar I've ever had. It's just that good. You know how Reapers are. They want to hurt your throat for some reason. So that's what this one's doing. The second half of this challenge right now. Man, is this tasty. My burn's only at a 3 right now. Nah, maybe get to a 4. Man, this is so good. It is. It's the best candy bar he makes, in my opinion. I can't tell you how good this thing tastes. Wow. There's a lot of jam in it. Look how thick that is. It's climbing. My throat's taking a beating. Slowing down. There's a filling bar. Man, these are good. What a great candy bar. I'm sorry, I got to do it there. Holy moly. Wow, slowing down. I'm starting to feel a little bit. A little lightheaded. Boy, there'll be a link in the description box. You buy this and you tell me if it's not the best tasting, super, like really spicy candy bar you've ever eaten. I'd like it hotter. It's more doable. The heat makes it more doable than the size is. Size is more of a problem than the heat, I think. I think that would be for most people. But, man. I'm going to wash my hands off just a second. Oh, wait. Otherwise, someone might say something. It's hot. This is actually one of the great endorphin rushes because the endorphin rush is not so strong that it's going to kill the pain. It's just strong enough that I can feel it, but the pain's staying right there pretty much, which is nice. There, now I'm going to wash my fingers. Wow. Okay, so another challenge in the bag. Hey, that's the best tasting challenge. Maybe I have to go back and look at some of the other ones. That's right up there. That's so bloody delicious. Man, that's raspberry rain. Filling. I'm so full right now, it's not funny, but wow. My heat never got more than like a 4, maybe close to a 5, but pretty much a 4. Super ridiculously tasty. I can't say that enough. There'll be a link in the description box below. You got to get one of these for real. When you do, man, you just message me and say, holy, listen, if you like dark chocolate and raspberry, got to get it. If you don't like those things, then, you know, it is what it is. But boy, if you like those two things, this is like a home run to end all home runs. Man, that was fun. More good stuff coming. I love you guys. Hey, didn't go to the office today. Got stuff. Man, you know I've been waiting for something in the mail now for like a week and a half. Supposed to come today. Says marked for delivery. Guess what though? It's a holiday. So I guess it's gonna come tomorrow. Can't wait to show you. Right there's our pepper. Click that pepper. When you do, you become part of the family. If you don't want to miss a video, click the bell for notification and you won't miss anything. League of Fire over there. Really cool League of Fire challenge coming on Friday. Pay attention to that, guys. Rummy Bears. I'm gonna break the world's record right there. More videos and right there. You, the one I love. I'm Johnny Scoville. Thanks for hanging out with me. This was Chase Steve.